This video is about a morning sunbeam. Now, a lot of this piece is quite straightforward, which makes up for it being 2 pages long, I think. Really, the first 2 lines, I think, are pretty easy, even to do the hands together. They just play together on the first beat of some bars. And everything in those first 2 lines is in this hand position. So right thumb on G, left pinky on G. So I'm not going to talk too much about that. I'm just going to play it. Just a reminder, don't hold notes when there's supposed to be a rest, but conversely do hold notes when they're meant to be held. For instance, in the first 4 bars, the right hand is holding the note over the left. So anyway, the first, 16 bars goes like this. I'll play it quite slowly. It should go faster than this, but I'll do it slowly for now. Off. And on that last beat, 1 beat's rest at the end of bar 16 gives you the chance to move to your next position, which I've got wrong there. So our new position, at least if we follow the suggested fingering, is going to be this. My right thumb's going to be on B, my left thumb's going to be on A. So the left hand is going to go now. In the next bar, the printed fingering says move down at that point. So you can do. You could do that, or you could stay in position and just reach down for that last C. So instead of 4, 3, 4, 1, 5, I personally prefer 5, 4, 5, probably 1, 5 there. So 5, 4, 5, squash slightly, 1, 5. You can do either of those. So you can either, if I go from the top of page 2, bar 25, it's actually page 7, you know what I mean. 4, so the printed fingering says 4, 2, 1, 2, 4, 3, 4, 1, 5. It's just one little step, but I prefer this. 4, 2, 1, 2, 5, 4, 5, squash, 1, 5. To me that's more comfortable, but you can do either. Meanwhile, going to the right hand, going back to bar 17, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3. That doesn't have to move at all from that position. Thumb on B. So fairly straightforward. So bars 17 to 32, hands together. 1, 2, 3. Poco writ, slightly slow down, as I did there. And I followed the fingering in the book there. So obviously in that middle section, it's the left hand that has the tune, the right hand is just accompanying. You can imagine the left hand singing, la, 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 la. Good. Then, bar 33, we repeat the first 8 bars, almost Exactly. Just until we get to bar 47, it's slightly different. So. And then, if anything, this bit is, well, not necessarily easier than the beginning, but you just go. So that's all in one position. And then I'm looking at the bottom line now. I've just played bars 47 and 48. Then the right hand crosses over there, so it moves exactly an octave down from that G to that G. And it can sort of come over the left, and the left quickly gets out of the way, and the left moves an octave down. So you're moving from here, that G position, to that G position. You can either do it the way I did, or if you find that awkward, you can just move the two hands together like this. I think that's harder because you're moving two hands and it's less, and you have to move a bit earlier. So focus on this thumb aiming for that note, and as soon as you hit it, focus on left thumb going there. Okay, so this thumb goes there, this thumb goes there, then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1 beat's rest. Good, so at the very end, the left hand is holding this, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Then on the third beat, rest, it moves up exactly an octave and plays 1 and 5 together. So it's moved from there down to there, then it's moved back. It moves back to the starting position. Your right hand has to go into a 6-note position. So your right hand, your thumb is going to, it hasn't played in this position before in the piece. The thumb moves to B, but you have to open out your hand slightly because the top note is G. Now you do have plenty of time to move. You've got 3 bars rest. Let's play from bar 47, so the last line of the music. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3, 1, 2, 3, off. So notice that while I was holding that, because the left hand you just have to hold the note for a few beats, so I'm using that time to move my right hand up there, so it's ready. And then on that last beat of that bar, I can quickly move my left hand up. Watch again. I'm going from bar 47 again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. With a little practice, that's not too difficult. Really nice sunny piece. Let's just now play the whole thing. It does want to go at a reasonable speed, so it sort of swings along. If you can get it to this sort of speed, I think that's very nice, or even a bit faster. Ideally, don't worry about the metronome marking, just give it the feel. But if you have to play it more slowly, that's okay. So I'm going to play the whole thing. There you are. That's the end of that video. I hope that was helpful.